Omicron all week. We know that there are cases all around the country. It's now been detected, Omicron, that is, in every state of the nation. It is impacting some states harder than others. I mean, you might live in a place where you don't know anybody that has come down with COVID in quite some time. Other places, you've obviously known friends and family, loved ones dealing with this. Now, according to the CDC, Florida has the second highest number of new COVID cases in just the past week, behind only New York, with more than 76,000 cases. Ileana Diaz is live outside a testing site in Miami where people have been waiting more than 3 hours now. 3 hours they've been standing outside in line to get tested?
More than 3 hours, Adrian. And that's the thing. This is the first time since the pandemic started that we have seen this many people lined up waiting to get tested and waiting to get treated for COVID. And take a look at this line here. This line goes on for miles. People have been here so long that some people have even run out of gas. And researchers say the situation could get worse. They think we won't even see the peak for new COVID cases until this February. In the last few weeks here, COVID cases have gone from a trickle to a flood. Florida just hit its largest single-day increase since the summer, more than 20,000 newly reported cases. And once again, the county with the largest population, Miami-Dade, is the hotspot. At Jackson Health in Miami, doctors say Omicron has overtaken Delta as the dominant variant.
This Omicron variant has been shown to be 2 to 4 times more transmissible than the Delta variant. That's a really important factor as it relates to community transmission risk.
When Omicron was first detected here on December 2nd, Jackson had 41 COVID patients. Now there are 112, 80% unvaccinated. Those numbers similar to the dark days of Delta. But this time, hospitals expect to see fewer patients.
On the positive side, it appears that a lot of the people that are testing positive are either asymptomatic or showing mild symptoms. There are some, obviously, that are sicker, but those numbers are a little bit smaller.
Dr. Page says so far fewer people are being hospitalized because of COVID, with a lot of the cases coming to light when patients check in for other reasons. Now, many of the people here waiting in line are hoping to get the monoclonal antibody. But Adrian, so many people have been testing positive that now that supply is low. So a lot of these people, unfortunately, are going to be turned away. But the mayor of Miami says that she has reached out to the federal government and she is asking for some help.
Well, and of course, there are these really long lines because people are planning on spending time with loved ones this week for Christmas. And so there's this urgency that we might not see next week or after the new year, because people aren't going to be gathering together with their families. Thank you so much, Ileana. We know now about a new treatment option for those battling COVID-19. The FDA authorized the first. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.